Namaste everyone. Nepal Thamel market is very famous for shopping, winter gears, or if you're going for a trek for Annapurna base camp or Everest base camp or Kailash sarovar trek. So this is one street market where you have to visit and you will get many things over there, like a decathlon kind of all the materials with a less cost. They will take Indian rupees as well, and different currencies also are accepted. But during this curfew time or the when there is protests are going on, they have allocated some time in the evening from 5 to 7. So I was there for 6 to 7 p.m. and I had only 1 hour to shop back. I had already done Kailash sarovar trek, but I wanted to see what all things are there in this market. So particularly for one thing, I was here, there was one date pickle which was served in our hotel. I was in search of that. However, instead of that, we got so many other things to shop for. So I could shop many track pants for the trek and winter gears or many more things. So you can spot a lot of foreigners roaming around and shopping for many more things. Let's see what all we can get from this market. You will get amazing, colorful t-shirts from this market from 400 rupees to 1000 rupees Indian currency, or Nepali is 750 onwards. And one thing which was really cool was these street lights. And it is very safe. As a woman, I can say that it is very safe to roam around, and this shop is mainly for a lot of events and all those things.
Good shop. You will get many things over here, right opposite to this. I got so many jackets. I don't know whether I need it or not, but I'm just getting so many jackets from here.
रिकमेंड कर दीजिए दोस्त लोग को, ठीक है?
वो वाला नहीं, अलग सा एक है. अच्छा, so many things to buy. I like these t-shirts, man. You will really get good designer t-shirts over here.